If I handed you $1,000 right now, would you know exactly where to put it to build a global portfolio, step by step? Most people can't. They know global investing matters, but when it comes to doing it, they freeze. Too many ETFs, too much noise. Today, I'll simplify it. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to build a complete global ETF portfolio from scratch, even with just $100. Welcome back to the Borderless Investor. Practical, no fluff ways to build wealth beyond your border. Last video covered why global investing matters. This one shows you how to actually do it. Beginners overcomplicate. They chase a dozen ETFs, wait for perfect timing, or waste money on random picks. The result? Paralysis or poor choices. Truth: the best global portfolios are simple. Your aim isn't complexity, it's exposure plus consistency. Think of a global portfolio as 3 layers: the core, the majority, broad global market exposure. The growth tilt, optional, extra exposure to higher growth regions. The stability layer, optional, assets to reduce volatility. Understand these, and you can build any sensible portfolio. Step 1. The core. Start with one core ETFs. This is your foundation. A single fund that owns thousands of companies across the US, Europe, Asia, and emerging markets. Examples: VT, Total World Stock ETF, VWRA, Vanguard FTSE All World ETF. For most people, 100% in one global ETF is enough. One purchase. Instant global diversification. Efficient, not lazy. Step 2. The growth tilt. If you want more upside, add a growth tilt, usually emerging markets or region-specific ETFs like Asia. Example allocation: 80% global ETF VT or VWRA, 20% emerging market ETFs like Vanguard Emerging Markets Stock Index Fund ETFs. This raises growth potential but adds volatility. Optional, use it only if you accept the swings. Step 3. The stability layer. To smooth volatility, add stability, bond ETFs or money market ETFs. Example: 80% global ETFs, 20% bond ETFs like Vanguard Total Bond Market Index Fund ETFs. You'll sacrifice some upside but reduce drawdowns and make it easier to stay invested. 3 practical portfolios. Option 1. Beginner 100% global ETF. Option 2. Growth-focused 80% global ETF, 20% emerging markets. Option 3. Balanced 70% global ETFs, 20% bonds, 10% emerging markets. No perfect mix. Pick what you'll stick with. How to start? Start in 3 steps. Pick one platform with global ETFs access. We will discover these platforms in the next videos. Choose your structure. Invest regularly, even small amounts. Start today. Time in the market beats timing the market. Building a global portfolio isn't complicated. It only seems that way when you chase perfection. Wealth comes from consistent, diversified exposure over time. Own the world. Stay invested. Let compounding work. If this helped, please subscribe to our channel to help grow our community. Next week, we will discuss the best portfolio split based on your age group. No guesswork, just execution. Don't miss it.